This is the Meta Quest 3S, and Meta says it's the easiest way to jump into virtual and mixed reality without spending a fortune. But after spending time gaming, watching movies, working out, and even browsing the web inside this headset, I found something the marketing doesn't fully explain. Is this really the best budget VR headset you can buy? Or are there compromises that make the more expensive Quest 3 worth saving for? Let's find out. Meta Quest 3S product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Meta Quest 3S is Meta's affordable standalone VR headset, released in late 2026. It's designed for newcomers to virtual reality, casual gamers, fitness enthusiasts, and families who want premium performance without paying flagship prices. The biggest selling point is that it uses the same powerful Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor found in the more expensive Quest 3. That means you're getting nearly identical gaming performance for significantly less money. It also supports mixed reality, hand tracking, wireless freedom, and access to one of the largest VR app libraries available today. Simply put, Meta wants this to become the default VR headset for almost everyone. Meta Quest 3S performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this headset feels surprisingly fast. Apps launch quickly, so the app menus stay responsive, and switching between VR experiences feels seamless. During my testing, I jumped from rhythm games like Beat Saber to larger adventure titles without noticing major slowdowns. The Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor deserves a lot of credit here. Even demanding games maintain smooth performance, and loading times are noticeably shorter than older Quest models. Mixed reality is another pleasant surprise. Seeing your room while placing virtual objects around it feels much more natural than earlier generations. It's not perfect, but it's good enough to make productivity apps and casual experiences genuinely useful. Now, here's the catch. The Quest 3S still uses Fresnel lenses instead of the newer pancake lenses found in the Quest 3. That means image clarity around the edges isn't as sharp, and finding the headset's sweet spot takes a little more adjustment. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features. First is the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor. Why should you care? Because it delivers flagship-level performance, allowing developers to create bigger worlds, smoother gameplay, and better graphics without dramatically increasing the price. Second is full-color mixed reality. Instead of completely blocking out your surroundings, the headset blends digital content with your real room. That makes games feel more immersive and lets you safely stay aware of your environment. Third is wireless freedom. There's no gaming PC required, no external sensors, and no messy cables. You simply put it on and start playing within seconds. Finally, there's Meta's software ecosystem. Whether you're interested in fitness apps, multiplayer games, virtual concerts, productivity tools, or educational experiences, there's an enormous library already available. That means you're buying into a mature platform rather than waiting for developers to catch up. Design and build. Design-wise, Meta kept things clean and familiar. The headset feels lighter than you might expect, and the controllers remain some of the easiest VR controllers to learn. Comfort is good for shorter sessions, although after an hour or two, you may notice some pressure on the front of your face. Thankfully, there are plenty of third-party comfort straps available if you plan on using VR regularly. The build quality feels solid, even though it's primarily plastic. Nothing feels cheap, and everything is designed to survive everyday use. Overall, it's practical rather than luxurious, but that's exactly what you'd expect at this price. Pros: powerful XR2 Gen 2 processor, huge library of games and apps, easy wireless setup with no PC required. Cons: Fresnel lenses aren't as sharp as Quest 3. Stock head strap isn't ideal for extended sessions. Final verdict. So, who is the Meta Quest 3S really for? If you're completely new to VR, this is one of the easiest recommendations I've made in a long time. You get flagship processing power, excellent software support, wireless convenience, and access to one of the strongest VR ecosystems available, all without spending premium money. Now, if you're someone who spends hours in VR every day, or you're especially sensitive to image clarity, the Quest 3's pancake lenses still make it the better headset overall. But for the vast majority of people, especially first-time buyers, gamers, and families, the Quest 3S delivers an incredible experience at a much more approachable price.